3, 2, 1.
Which division of the autonomic nervous system controls processes like digestion, heartbeat, and breathing? The answer is C, parasympathetic. Which pioneering pop media theorist, born in Edmonton, Alberta, coined the phrase "the medium is the message"? The answer is B, Marshall McLuhan. One of the two of Michelangelo's greatest works of sculpture, the Pietà, is found in what European city? The answer is B, the Vatican. Who tried to keep Belle away from the Beast and marry her? The answer is A, Gaston. Who holds the record for the longest fingernails on a pair of hands? The answer is A, Lee Redmond. Which theory states that as income rises, the proportion spent on non-essential goods increases? The answer is A, law of variation. Which mountain range has the lowest peak among the major ranges? The Appalachians. The answer is C, Appalachians. Who discovered the ring structure of atoms? The answer is D, J.J. Thomson. Who holds the record for the largest collection of Coca-Cola memorabilia? The answer is A, Bill Morna. 175,000 items. Granite is an igneous rock. Which of these describes what usually happens to granite after it is weathered, broken into small particles, buried deep underground, and compacted? The answer is A, the granite becomes a new rock type. What is the main ingredient of aqua sauce? The answer is B, eggs. Pizza became a total hit all over the USA in. The answer is A, 1950s. Which vegetable is often sliced thinly for salads or chips? The answer is C, cucumber. You Only Live Twice, Ian Fleming's 12th novel, was adapted as the 5th entry in the James Bond movie series by what screenplay writer, famous for his children's books? The answer is C, Roald Dahl. What is a type of chair with a high and closed back and arms? The answer is C, captain's chair. If I hear about a warm front, I can expect to bring what with me to work? The answer is C, an umbrella. Which game is about collecting and battling Pokémon? The answer is B, Sonic the Hedgehog. Which service allows you to search for information online? The answer is B, Google. What is the central piece in Gustav Klimt's The Kiss? The answer is C, a couple. Which gas is released during photosynthesis by plants and algae? The answer is B, carbon dioxide. Which city has been chosen to host the 2012 Olympics, thus becoming the first three-time Olympic host city? The answer is B, London. In which house is Susan Bones, one of the characters in the Harry Potter series? The answer is C, Hufflepuff. In what organ does pepsin help break down proteins? The answer is C, stomach. What color are the Super Mario Bros. Main enemies, the Koopa Troopas? The answer is A, red. What is the name of the type of aircraft that spreads pesticides on large areas of farmland? The answer is A, a crop duster. What is the study of weather patterns and atmospheric conditions called? The answer is A, climatology. Which is the strongest fundamental force in the universe? The answer is C, weak nuclear force. What fairy tale character often uses the word man? The answer is C, Elfman. Pollination is required for what to reproduce? The answer is C, sunflowers. In what process is AP created by glycolysis without oxygen? The answer is D, fermentation. Who is the actress who starred in Vanilla Sky, Don't Move Ball of Runt and All About My Mother? The answer is D, Penelope Cruz. What two forms can fluids take? The answer is C, liquid or gas. The language Urdu belongs to which language family? The answer is C, Indo-European. What never asks a question but always gets the answer? The answer is C, a broker. Which of these dishes would you most expect to find in Italy? The answer is B, pizza. Which famous psychologist is known for the two-factor theory of emotion? The answer is D, Leon Festinger. What Academy Award-winning actor co-starred with Robin Williams in the 1990 drama movie Awakenings? The answer is A, Robert De Niro. What does V-victis mean? The answer is C, woe to the conquered. How might I decrease someone's forward motion? The answer is C. Hug them. Which of these famous Russian novels was written by Leo Tolstoy? The answer is A. War and Peace. Which item is commonly used for writing? The answer is A. Camera. Which was the first car model to sell 1 million cars in 1 year? The answer is D. Chevy Impala. Which architect designed the Solomon R. Guggenheim Museum in New York City? The answer is B. Louis Kahn. Chordates are defined by a set of 4 characteristics that are shared by these animals at some point during their The answer is B. Development. What is often found in the bathroom and is full of water, but if you take a drink it's dry? The answer is C. Mirror. On a BBC poll, Mr. T was voted as one of the most influential Americans in history. Where did he rank on that poll? The answer is C. 4. What is the philosophy of self-discovery and freedom? The answer is A. Existentialism. A solid object with an irregular shape can be measured via what method? The answer is A. Displacement. Who painted Blue Poles, a famous abstract expressionist work? The answer is A. Jackson Pollock. Which of the following parts of a car belongs to its control system?